In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Google Chrome web browser onto your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty quick tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one, but you want to navigate over to Google, and into Google you want to type in Chrome, and you want to hit enter. One of the best managers should be for the Chrome web browser, and the domain should be google.com. You want to left click on the link one time to open up the web page. There should be a download option on this page, and again, make sure it says google.com up at the top. So I'm going to select download, and once you've looked through the terms of service, you want to accept and install by left clicking on that button one time. Once the file is finished downloading, I'm going to run it, so I'm just going to open it up. If you receive a security notification, just left click on run. And if you receive a user account control window, again, make sure Verify Publisher is set to Google Inc. and then left click on yes. This will take about a minute, so please be patient. Okay guys, so once the web browser opens up, you should be good to go. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.